The company Agro presents Seeding Complex Kuzbass-T. The seeding complex Kuzbass-T is a leading complex in the south of western Siberia as regards seeding of grain and technical crops. It is designed for application in all climatic zones except the zone of mountain farming. It allows for seeding of spring crops, small grain crops, technical small seeded crops, winter crops, leguminous crops, forage crops, corn sowing by grain method, using the individual seeding rate per hectare and seeding depth set by the consumer, taking into account local conditions while applying fertilizers. The seeding complex Kuzbass-T is a combined technology of minimum tillage and sowing seeds using disc openers, or a chisel with an individual soil packing. The seeding complex Kuzbass-T has 4 modifications in working widths: PK 6.1, PK 8.5, PK 9.7, and PK 12.2. Digital index corresponds to the working width in meters. A dual seeding system can be installed on the PK Kuzbass-T as an additional option, expanding technological capabilities of the seeding complex and enhancing its versatility. The sowing complex's Kuzbass-T are equipped with onboard computers that permit to promptly receive accurate information across more than 24 indicators. The operator in the tractor cabin has an opportunity to monitor online the status of the pneumatic seed drive, supply and level of seeds or fertilizer in the hopper, the oil pressure in the motor of the pneumatic system, information on the area worked with the sowing complex, and the operating time of the motor is always available to the machine operator. The Coulter blockage monitoring system, to be optionally mounted on the seeding complex, permits the operator not only to receive timely a blockage alarm for separate coulters, but also to monitor the overall density and uniformity of sowing in the process of work. The system enables obtaining information on the seeding rate, carrying out calibration as well as programming of the upper and lower limits. PK Kuzbass-T is fully hydraulically operated. In one pass across the field, the PK Kuzbass-T can perform the entire complex of spring fieldwork, pre-sowing cultivation, seeding, local fertilizing, harrowing, individual packing, and leveling of soil.